Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to join random Zoom meetings step by step. First, make sure you're signed into your Zoom account. Once you're logged in, head over to Google and search for OnZoom. You'll find OnZoom, which is Zoom's marketplace for immersive and virtual experiences. Click on that link, and you'll see a list of upcoming Zoom events that you can browse through. From there, you can choose any meeting or event that fits your interests, whether it's business-related or something else. Some events are free, while others may require payment. When you find one you like, click on it to see the details. If registration is required, simply sign up for that specific event. Some meetings are open to join right away, while others may ask you to register in advance. As long as you're signed in, Zoom should automatically detect your account information and make the registration process smooth and simple, provided you meet the event's criteria. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips right here on One More Guru. I'll see you in the next video.